Morning. Vlogmas day 23. I had bread, salami, and my coffee. So I have laundry to do, clean up a little bit. Maybe we'll take a drive to Kohl. We got to get some last minute things. I want to wrap some last minute things, and that's pretty much it. This is my outfit. Simple. I did laundry. I still got a couple of loads to do, but we're heading out to Burlington. I mean, not Burlington, Kohl's, to see what they got. And this is as comfy as I'm getting. This is you, Nancy. This is going to Kohl's, see what they got. But we have no coupons, right?
Nope.
Look how huge. 19, size 19. Yeah. Wow. So I ended up getting my dad some sneakers, and it was too packed in there, but now we're at Marshall's to see what they got. It's packed in here too, but they don't got the clearance sneaker stuff here. I think with this, I should be done with 1 day to spare. I think I did pretty good. So I'm in Seatown now, and I was watching It's Me Just. She was showing when she went to the Seatown, and I'm gonna get this one, which is the one I like. I got both. I got pretty much everything else. Alright, that place was crazy. I got these coconut vanilla dips. Bomboncitos. We're picking up KFC, and we're gonna end Vlogmas here.